till you see this. Yeah, wait till you see this. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. Wait till you see this.
Sakto, nung time na yon, meron ako isang magandang friend.
Wow.
Uy, sakto. Nag-usap na sila hanggang sa doon na nagsimula.
It is actually you who's always behind me, at my back, believing in me, empowering me, and supporting me with everything that I do. Not everything is easy, but with you, everything could be.
You are the reason kung bakit ako masaya ngayon. At totoo yun. God gave me you para ma-realize ko na hindi puro hirap at pagod lang ang pwede. Pwede pala akong mahalin, pwede pala akong maging masaya.
Okay,
Today, in front of the people we love and the Lord God, I vow to be a loving wife that I should be. I love you and I thank God for leading me to you. You are my life's greatest and my favorite plot twist of all time. I love you, baby.
Brothers and sisters, may I present to you our newly married couple, Clark and Diana.
I thank God na ikaw yung blessing na binigay niya sa akin. I love you in this lifetime. From uuwi na ako, to sa'yo na ako uuwi. I will fall in love again and choose you again to be my wife in all of my other lifetime. Mahal na mahal kita.
Tapos, doon na po yung forever nila. Yeah!